Welcome back, people. Some more Reggae Boyz news. So Paul Hall, coach of the Reggae Boyz in this World Cup campaign, has announced his 23-man squad. But one name that is not on it is Anthony Grant, and I'm quite surprised that he's not there, as are a few people. One such person is head coach of Humble Lions, Andrew Price, a highly respected coach in local circles. So the article coming out of the Jamaica Gleaner says the omission of national midfielder Anthony Grant for the Jamaica's latest squad for the World Cup qualifiers has been described as shocking by Humble Lions head coach Andrew Price. Grant, 34, who has played in all but 2 qualifying games under former head coach Theodore Whitmore, was left off the interim head coach Paul Hall's 23-man squad announced on Sunday for Jamaica's upcoming slate of World Cup qualifying matches, beginning with Mexico on Thursday at the National Stadium. Since being given his interim debut by Whitmore on September 3rd against Mexico, the Swindon Town midfielder has received positive reviews for his performances in the defensive midfield role despite the disappointing results. Grant's omission caught Price by surprise, but said that there are players that are capable of filling that void effectively regardless. It was a shock. I don't really think he really had a bad game throughout the entire series. Although the team wasn't doing well, he was a stabilizing force in the middle of the park. But the coach knows the reasons for his omission, and I am sure that he has selected players that can do an efficient job in his absence, Price told the Gleaner. Alright guys, so leave your comments in the comment section. In my opinion, I think that was a glaring omission. I would have liked to see Anthony Grant in the team. I think there's a place there for him. And I agree with the Gleaner that he has been one of the outstanding performers in the team, although the team has not been doing great. Alright? Guys, remember, like the videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, join the family, and keep up to date with what's going on in the Jamaican sporting arena. Thank you for watching.